Hi guys, it's Maureen. So let's make some soya pieces. Guys, I cook soya pieces a lot because I just love them, and yeah, I'm not embarrassed to say, Woody, I love soya pieces. I feel like I have a lot of cooking videos. Anyway, people have been giving me grief for not washing my soya pieces, so this time around I decided to wash them so that I should please my viewers who want me to wash soya pieces. Yeah, so I did wash it. Yeah, and as usual, I start with boiling my soya pieces because it makes them fuller and amajuluga. Yeah, let me say that. I think amajuluga because I'm a neneba. I'm a neneba. Anyway, so I put in my potatoes and carrot and Knorrox cubes. Of course, I used the vegetable curry one. Now, as that was cooking, I moved on to cook my tomato. I'm using my induction stove, as you can see. Anyway, so I started making my tomato soup. Because I got them from my garden and so I stopped buying onions because I get onions from Kumunda, but I haven't been there for a while. So now I'm using my small little onions from my garden. Anyway, my tomato paste, guys, this is 3 weeks now. I think it's been 2 weeks now, and it's fine. It's like still nice and fresh. This is the one that I put in the fridge. So I had people asking me, how long can it stay? Yeah, so it seems it can stay for a long time. I'll tell you how long it'll stay for. But anyway, after everything was cooked, it's just a matter of mixing up everything together. It's a very simple recipe, but you're going to get a very yummy dish. So please try cooking it this way if you don't already, and let me know how it goes. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what other ways you cook your soya, so maybe I can try it out. Since I love soya so much, yeah, I should try out other ways of cooking it. So please share your recipes, but otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.